Can you make a big turn for me? Oh, you turned to stop. That's almost a hockey stop. Very good. Can you point back down the hill and lead again? Okay, slow down, honey, and turn. There you go. Make some big turns. Can I see a big turn to the middle of the hill? Straight skis, straight skis. Go fast, straight skis and go fast. Up, Ella, go fast. We're gonna have to walk.